What is up, beautiful people? We are back with another brand new video, a new unboxing on some STUSSY Nike haul. So yeah, actually before we get started, I wanted to explain to y'all this will be different days. I'm gonna be recording in different days for the unboxing because I ordered 3 different things at 3 different times, so I have 3 packages coming on 3 different days, if that makes sense. So I got my first package today. Figured I'd run through it right before I sleep. So yeah, let's get into it. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what's in it because I also bought a STUSSY Birkenstock collab, but that's for another video. Right now we're focusing on the STUSSY Nike. So hopefully this is the STUSSY Nike. If it is, perfect. We're gonna go through that throughout the box. Not gonna show the front because again, privacy, shipping label, address, everything's on there. Before we go any further, let me just open that. Here's the first box. They gave me 2 boxes, don't know why. Oh, okay, so I got 2 of the items, I guess. So that's cool. Okay, so anyways, these are the Nike Benassi STUSSY slides. I did cop these from Essence, so shout out to Essence. They've been a plug lately. I'm surprised it came in a box actually, because usually they just be on that little hang thing, right? The bottom of the box, usually the Nike stuff. But anyways, that's the main key. I do not know how to open this. Oh, okay, we're gonna just slide it out from here. I got this size 8 in the lime neon green, what color? Volt bright cactus jack colorway. Oh, there it is. See? Okay, so I'm taking that out of the box right now. Obviously, they usually just come on these, but they want to be fancy and give a box. I got so many shoe boxes. It's not the move right now. Here's the first one. Ooh, these are yeah, loving them. Look at that. Yes, yes, your original Benassis instead of the Nike logos on the top. They put that STUSSY Nike logos on the. Why does it look weird? Oh, actually no, sorry, that's the art. Got it. Are these my first pairs of Benassis? No, I actually got the JDI pocket ones, the fanny pack ones. Those are fun to play with. But yeah, these are gonna be a go-to slide. Here's the bottoms. Here's the tag, size 8. All right, moving on to the next item. I did get some pants with them, so I was excited for that. The Nike STUSSY, not pants, my bad, shorts. Swim shorts. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I actually got them in the ladies size large because if you convert it, it is a man's small, if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, back to the point. There you go. Men's? What? That's huge. Damn. It says men's large. I hope not. Bro, if it's a men's large, hell no, I gotta return this. I need a ladies large, bro. Men's large is freaking huge. If it's a men's large, hell no. No, I thought I got a ladies large. I literally was on the ladies section on Essence. Bro, if you're gonna advertise it as a large ladies, I expect it to be a men's small, dog. If I knew it was a men's large, I would have just bought it from the men's large side. Not looking too good for me right now. Oh my gosh, and the pants says large. Yikes. Okay, so well, honestly they fit okay, but I tucked in the shirt now, so it's definitely loose. But the fact that it's elastic inside, these are supposedly swim trunks, right? So they don't got the you know, those built-in underwears, which is good. I personally hate those things. This is the front STUSSY and the back Nike. I'm kind of concerned because I bought a black pair, extra large, and I think this is it right here. And extra large is huge, man. I might just return it. But let's open it, all right? Let's check it out, let's check it out. I'm gonna try my best not to break the box because I will use it again. Okay, this is a black pair. Here it is. We're gonna unpack it. I'm disappointed, that's all I can say. Men's extra large. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I'm sad. I will be returning these, get my money back. They were expensive too. They were like, what, 80, 75 bucks? I'm not gonna be keeping something that price. It's not my size, something I can't wear comfortably. I mean, of course I could wear comfortably, right? But it won't look as good as I thought it would in my head. But anyways, here you go. Focus. Sad, sad, sad day, man. Sad day. At least we got a review of it, you know? At least we see it. Like, if you got a pair of these, W. In your size, good shit. I said W. All right, and just like that, we are back. Finally got the other delivery. Okay, so there is one Nike piece in here, Nike STUSSY piece that I want to unbox for the video. And the other piece will be for another video, so go ahead and check that out. It will be the Birkenstock STUSSYs, so that's gonna be a good one. Check that out. Yeah, let's get into this. So start opening this up, cutting it up. As you can see, this box is bigger than the last time because it is footwear. Bow. Oh, sorry. When you cut away from yourself. All right, just pro tip in unboxing. Make sure you got a sturdy, ooh, I gotta sneeze. Okay, we are back. Let's get this. There we go, unboxing. Here it is now. Big box. Oh gosh, I gotta sneeze more. Lots of airbags, lots of airbags. I'm gonna keep these because I'm gonna need to return the other pieces I got. Here we go. So, as I said, STUSSY Birkenstocks. That's for another video. Go ahead. Shameless plug, check that out. Here is the last piece, nothing else in the box. The STUSSY Benazzi slide. Again, it's raw her right here. Boom, Benazzi slide. I personally, I love funky colors, so I really like the lime green, the one that I just showed previously. So the black one would be the next. The habanero red is eyed, but it's just the black and white is the easiest to match overall, right? So let's open this, check this out. There it is, man. So this is the rods right here. So nothing else in the box. Bam! Oh, this is actually nice. Here it is, STUSSY Benazzi slides. The black and white colorway. Very nice. That original slipper, you know what I'm saying? So that's basically it. 5 items, that's including the Birkenstock, but again, that's in another video, so go ahead, please check that out. You guys are gonna like that. There's actually gonna be 2 because I actually have another box of another pair. So yeah, it's nice. Again, here's the STUSSY Birkenstocks. STUSSY Benazzi slides. That's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, thumbs up, and next video is coming up already with Birkenstock STUSSYs. I'll see y'all then. Shoot.